how to lock a local disk without any app downloading. At first, click to the local disk which one you want to lock, and right click to it and you will find this and click to turn on Bitlocker. It will take some time, and then right click to use a password to unlock the drive and type a password, and then enter this password and click next. And there is a and you can see and then click next. And it will encrypting my drive, and will take some time for encrypting all the file in the local disk. I have just keep patient. So it has been completing. Yeah, my encryption of the local drive D is been completing, and there is a confirmation. So close. That's it.